Welcome to this video, where we provide a simple explanation of the global memory market and the factors contributing to current high RAM prices. Large AI data centers require massive amounts of memory, including DRAM, DDR5, HBM, and NAND. Because these buyers pay a premium, manufacturers prioritize them, which reduces the supply available for standard PCs and laptops. DDR5 demand is very strong as new systems shift to this technology. This surge in demand across various sectors has significantly pushed up memory prices, with some contract prices reporting a major increase. Major manufacturers like Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron have shifted production capacity toward HBM for AI GPUs. Since they cannot instantly increase production, this leaves less capacity for manufacturing standard DDR4 and DDR5 RAM. As older technology, DDR4 production is being reduced. Many manufacturers are focusing their efforts on newer technologies, which further constrain supply and can drive up prices for DDR4. Retail stock for popular RAM kits, especially high-capacity DDR5, is often limited. This scarcity in both physical shops and online markets naturally leads to higher price points for consumers. In Bangladesh, local market factors such as import costs and dollar exchange rates add further pressure. Local buyers may experience these price increases more significantly due to these additional variables. This flowchart illustrates the global cause and effect chain, starting from AI demand and supply tightness, leading to retail shortages and eventually impacting local pricing. In summary, high AI demand, low supply, the DDR5 transition, cuts to DDR4 production, and added import costs all combine to create the current high RAM prices.